how to download 3ds Max in Windows 11. So that's what I'm going to show you guys in the super quick and easy tutorial. So without further ado, let us begin. So the first thing that you gotta do first is to just head on to your web browser and then just search up for 3D Max. And then after that, just simply click on the first link that will pop up. And then from here, you can view the pricing plans over here in 3ds Max. So for 1 month, it will cost you $170. 1 year, $1,370. And for 3 years, it will cost you $4,110. But for me, I'll just download the free trial of 3ds Max. So I'll just click on download free trial right here. Afterwards, just simply answer these steps right here. So for the free trial, I'll be using this software for. So for example, I'll just choose home use. Next, sign in. So what you want to do from here is just simply enter your email address. Next, just simply click on continue. After that, just simply enter your account details right here, like your customer name, the objective of trial, the role field, your industry, the job level field, your personal info, and etc. etc. So first, just enter your name right here. Next, your objective of trial. So just choose any of these options right here. So for example, I want to try this product for the first time. Next, just choose your industry over here. So as an example, I'll just choose games. Next, role of field. So just choose your role of field right here. So for example, I'll just choose IT manager. Next, your job level field. So just choose your job level field right here. So again, I'll just choose manager. Next, your personal info. So just choose your country of residence right here, your state/province, and of course your zip code. And then lastly, your phone number. Once you're done, just simply click on I agree right here, and then just simply click on complete to submit. Next is for the phone verification. So enter a phone number to receive a security code. Codes can be by voice or text. This verification code lets us know you're human and not a robot. So again, just enter your phone number right here. Once you're done, just simply click on send verification code. And then after that, just wait for the verification code to be sent to your phone number, and then just enter your verification code. And then once you're done, just simply click on verify, and then there you go. So download to start your 30-day free trial. So you can choose what kind of download you want. So you can change the year over here, the Windows version, and the language. So feel free to customize this to your liking, but for me, I'll just leave it as it is. You can also do a custom install if you want to, but for me, I'll just download it. So just click on install right there, click on accept, and then it is now preparing. So just wait for it to finish. So it says right here, this is day 1 of your 30-day trial. Open 3ds Max to create your first project. So you can manage your trial in your Autodesk account. So you can view your account right here. So after that, you'll be redirected here. So just click on sign in. Next, just input your email address that you used. Click on next. Then after that, it says right here, you received an invite link to Autodesk. Use the invite link to create your account. So just open up your Gmail or whichever mail you're using. But for me, I use Gmail. So once you're in your Gmail, just search up for the Autodesk invite right here. So it's this one right here, Autodesk invitation. So you've been invited to create an Autodesk account. So just simply click on create account right here. Afterwards, just input your email again and then your password. Once you're done, just simply click on I agree right here, and then just simply click on create account. And then there you go, your account has now been created. There you go. Next, what you want to do from here is to just go to your profile right here. Go to products and services. Afterwards, just go to trials right here. And after that, you'll get to see your 3ds Max trial right here. So just simply click on install, click on accept. There you go. It's now preparing. And there you go. 3ds Max is now starting to download. You just wait for it to finish. There you go. So once it's done, just open up the installer. Click on yes, and then after that it says right here preparing for installation. So just wait for this to finish. There you go. And then after that, this will pop up. So just wait for this to finish loading. After that, just simply choose the location and where you want to save your installation for 3ds Max. So for me, I'll just choose a location in my D drive right here. So in here, I'll just create a new folder. Then I'll just name it 3ds Max. There you go. After that, I'll just select this folder, and then there you go. Afterwards, you can select some additional components right here for the installation. So you can add a civil view, a material library, and a substance. So feel free to choose what kind of components you want to add. For me, I just won't select them. I'll just continue with none of them. So I'll just click on install. After that, just wait for the installation to finish. Then there you go. So it says right here, installing 3ds Max 2025.3 update. So it says right here, you can start the product while installation continues. So you can start it if you want to. So for me, I'll just start it. There you go. And then after that, 3ds Max will now start to open. So just wait for it to open. After that, you'll be redirected here. So it says right here, sign in to your Autodesk account. So a browser window will open up for you to sign in. So just open up your web browser and then just sign in your account. So mine is this one over here. So it opened up my Mozilla Firefox browser. So I'll just enter in my email right here and then I'll just click on next. Afterwards, just simply type in your password. And then there you go. I've now been signed in. So just go to product, click on open link. Afterwards, you can now head back to 3ds Max and then just wait for it to open. And then there you go. It says right here, welcome to your trial. So click on explore now, or you can exit this out as well. Click on don't show again, click on continue. Then there you go. Just wait for it to open. And then there you go. We have now access to 3ds Max. And then after that, you can now start designing in your free trial. And after that, you're pretty much done. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to install 3ds Max in Windows 11.